what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm so excited. Today we are going to be unboxing the Medusa's makeup subscription box. So if you don't know about it, this is a cruelty-free and it's also vegan beauty, all in this little gorgeous box. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I also did create this full face using the items that are inside this beauty box. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this little beauty box. I also do want to say thank you so much to Medusa for sending out this beauty box to me. I do want to let you guys know that these are 100% my true opinions and what I think about the box. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it, guys. So this is what the little box looks like. This is the box for the month of August 2020, and it looks like the theme is happy birthday. So happy birthday to them. We're gonna open it right up, and this is what you're going to find inside your little box. The packaging is so freaking cute. It has like these little confetti stars. It's like a birthday celebration, so it's very on with the theme. And you will find a little card right on the side with all of your details. All right, guys. So as usual, I always wait to unbox them with you guys. However, this time around, I was so excited that I couldn't hardly wait. So I went ahead and I cheated a little and I used the items. I unboxed them and I used them. So I do want to show you guys what this box is all about and how I use some of the items. So I highly suggest it for you guys to go check out. All right, guys, so the first item that you are going to receive in your box is this. I'm so excited about this because at first I kind of was like, what the heck is this? But when I actually put it on, I was actually kind of feeling it. So that's actually what I really love about subscription boxes, is that they send you out things that you would normally not buy for yourself and you end up falling with them. All right, guys, so first off, what I received in our box was the Medusa's Makeup Metal AF lip gloss. So this is what the packaging looks like here. It's so cute. The box is full of Medusa's brand, so it's a lot of their products, and they do feature a different brand on here as well. But let's start off with this one, guys. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this color is gorgeous. I freaking love it. So this is their lip gloss. I actually have it on my lips and I'm kind of feeling it. To tell you the truth, I'm feeling it. It's like a vibe. I actually did also use it for my inner corner on my eyes. I think it's such a freaking beautiful, shimmery, gorgeous color. This is what it looks like, and this is the applicator. It's a little bit slanted, so it gives you like that good angle to do detail on your lips. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So look at this gloss right here, and I would say that it's not even like a gloss, like a normal gloss. It's matte, but it does have those really gorgeous shimmers on it, and it's extra long lasting. I've had my lips on for a while now, a few hours I would say, and it hasn't moved. It's very durable, I would say. All right, guys, so this is what the first item looks like in our box. Look, there it is. I am feeling it. So I used it for my lips because it's meant to be used for your lips. It's a lip gloss, but I also did use it on my eyes, and I am totally loving it. So let me just tell you a little bit more about this lip gloss here. So this is the Metallic AF lip gloss. It's a stay on full coverage liquid lip gloss with a smooth metallic finish. And this is in the color I Wanna Rock, and this lip gloss does retail for $11. So this was the first item that we received in our box, and like I said, I'm totally loving it. All right, guys, we are gonna go ahead and move along to to the next item. The next item that they sent out was a little complexion sponge that looks like this. And this one also does have the logo. It's really hard to see, but it's there. It does say Medusa's makeup. So this second item here says this is a custom Medusa sponge. It has a versatile design. It evenly blends your makeup for a smooth, enhanced finish, leaving you to look super gorgeous. So this is the second item that we got, was a little sponge. This one does retail for $5.99. All right, guys. Third item up is going to be this gorgeous little brush that I did use to sweep up my blush. And I'm loving the bristles, are nice and soft. Look how cute the handle is. It's so, so cute. Okay, guys, so this one right here is the custom Medusa metallic pink cheek brush. It's soft and its rounded bristles sweep up and blend powder for the perfect rosy cheek. And it really does. The bristles are really nice and soft, and it also did blend out my contour and my blush together. I really like how it looks. This brush right here retails it for $7. All right, guys, so those are 3 items. The next item that we got was this one right here. And let me open it up out of the packaging. This is a Medusa's Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow. It's in the name Ava. And I also did use this eyeshadow for my lid right here. I kind of did like a cut crease with it. And it was really easy to use. I'm filling my makeup. But this is what it looks like. It's a really nice, gorgeous, a shimmery liquid eyeshadow. And it's also very long lasting, and I love the color of it. I was also even thinking of putting like this, like in the middle of my lid, just to give it some more pop, because I'm like super extra. So loving this one. All right, so this little liquid eyeshadow, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So this one is the Shimmer and Glisten with liquid eyeshadow. It's a rich, beautiful color with a high shimmer sheen. No glitter, just pure shimmer. You can wear it alone or over your eyeshadow. It's in the color Ava, and this one retails for $13. It's so cute. I love it. I really, really love it. I'm also gonna swatch it for you guys. I love the little applicator because it's very precise. I was really able to like cut my crease with it. So pretty, and I feel like it's like a neutral color. Anybody can use it. There it is. Oh my god, they shine so nicely in person. Okay, so there you go. It has like these really gorgeous shimmers. There you go, you guys can see it. So this was the eyeshadow, and the last item that we got in our box, guys. So that was 4 items so far. And then the featured item. So this one's the featured brand, and it's this one right here. It's by the brand 10 Free Chemistry, and this is clean. This is a clean nail polish. So I also went ahead and I used it and I painted my nails with it. It's so freaking cute. So this one looks like this, and this is what the nail polish looks like, and you guys can see like the little holographic little glitter specks. Like I said, I did apply it on my nails, and so far I've been loving it. Also, what I noticed when I was applying the nail polish is that it dries out really fast, and they are so cute. I'm like filling my little mani. But yes, this was the 5th item that we received. Usually they feature 4 items. This month we got 5. And we also did get that clean makeup wipe. So I also do want to tell you guys a little bit more about Medusa, since I'm fairly new to this. So Medusa is a cruelty and vegan free subscription box. And it is the #1 monthly cruelty-free vegan beauty subscription box that is out there. So that's a bonus. I really like the items that we received in this month's box. Just a little bit more of what to expect if you were to sign up for the Medusa subscription box. You're going to receive 4 full-size beauty products delivered to you monthly. Also, good thing about Medusa is that you do not have to wait. There is no wait list on the subscription. So if you sign up, you will receive your box. They do ship out on a daily. They also do have limited edition theme boxes throughout the year. They feature national and indie brands. They are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. And let's see, you will be expected to have 1 pop of color for every single month. Also, guys, I do want to let you guys know the price of this subscription box is $18.95. This also includes the shipping included with the fees, and they also do ship out internationally. So yes, I think that's all I have. I honestly really enjoyed receiving this subscription box, and I look forward to unboxing some more for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this subscription box. I'm totally feeling it. Let me just give you a recap. So here is the liquid lipstick that we received. Here is the little makeup brush that we received. The beauty sponge, the glitter nail polish, and also the liquid eyeshadow that looks like this. I really like it. It's really cute. I love the theme of it. It's all super hot, bright pink. Really enjoyed it, guys. I will be leaving all of the information down below on the description bar for you guys to go check out if you're interested in this box. And that's all I have for you guys today. Leave me a comment down below. What are your thoughts about the subscription? And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.